What if you knew that in just 2 minutes every morning, you could start reversing your biological age? Just 2 minutes, and research shows it can literally shift your biological clock backward. Stay with me until the end, because I'm giving you the exact routine that has already helped thousands of people feel younger and healthier again. Most people online chase anti-aging supplements and overpriced devices. What they don't realize is that simple at-home methods offer the same benefits. And many don't understand that biological age matters far more than chronological age. You might be 45 on paper, but if your cells are inflamed, your mitochondria weak, and your stress hormones elevated, your body may be functioning like it's 60. But here's the good part. Research shows quick steps you can start today to reverse biological aging. Here's the 2-minute protocol. Step 1. Wim Hof Breathing Technique. This 1-minute breathing method boosts oxygenation, lowers inflammation, and activates repair genes. Sit straight, take 30 deep breaths, filling your belly and chest. Then gently exhale. After the 30 breaths, exhale fully and hold your breath 30 to 60 seconds. Then breathe in deeply. Hold 10 to 15 seconds and release. Do 1 to 3 rounds. Step 2. The Cold-Water Face Plunge. Only 30 seconds, but extremely powerful. These 30 seconds activate cold shock proteins, which support mitochondrial biogenesis and cellular repair. After your breathing, fill a bowl or your sink with very cold water. Add ice if needed. Plunge your face in for 10 to 15 seconds, come up, breathe, then plunge again for another 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3. The 30-second movement burst. This activates the AMPK enzyme, which reduces inflammation and supports longevity pathways. Choose one: a 30-second plank, 20 to 30 air squats, or a 30-second wall sit. Rotate them if you prefer. The Wim Hof breathing resets your nervous system. The cold plunge boosts cold shock proteins and mitochondrial repair, and the movement burst activates AMPK and autophagy. In just 2 minutes, you've switched on nearly all major anti-aging pathways. Adding 30 to 40 seconds of morning sunlight makes the benefits even stronger. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you keep receiving valuable information, and share this with others who can benefit.